eruption of the past 2 million years.
Would have been the mother of all explosions.
75,000 years ago, the supervolcano Toba threw the planet into climatic chaos.
It was this huge climate effect that made it so devastating around the world, not just where the volcano erupted.
Temperatures across the planet dropped. The world entered into a volcanic winter, and the human race was pushed to the brink of extinction.
For a person living after this eruption, really only the strong would have survived.
Could one eruption have caused such apocalyptic destruction? And what will happen if and when this type of mega disaster happens again? (73,000 BC), Sumatra, Indonesia. A sleeping giant named Toba awakens from a 700,000-year slumber. It unleashes the most explosive volcanic eruption of the past 2 million years.
It would have been the mother of all explosions. People could hear it from thousands of kilometers away.
Toba was 40 times larger than the largest eruption in recorded history, and it probably had 40 times the impact, and that was disastrous.
3,000 times more powerful than Mount St. Helens, Toba sends volcanic debris flying through the air at speeds of up to 60 miles an hour. Everything within 500 miles is doomed.
It's a very violent, fast process. Anything in that area, any form of life, would have been annihilated.
The eruption continues.